At this phase and step, we need to create and execute test runs. Test runs, add test run. I'm gonna call it smoke test run. Milestone would be smoke milestone, assigned to obviously myself. Description I don't want. Start, date, end date. Include all test cases. No, I want to include only specific one. And I want to include only this one. Only smoke. Assigned to myself, obviously. Okay. Add test run. So far, there is only one test case here. I'd like to execute it right here. I'll click here, status, and I say we can set it like passed, blocked, skipped, failed, etc. Passed. Assigned to myself. I say it's passed. Version, elapsed time, or defects if you need. It's integrated tool. Okay, and we can pass it by step. Let me see from not executed. I say passed, passed. Let's pretend smoke is passed. Environment was okay and everything passed. As a result, as you can see, the first run is passed. Passed, one passed. Now let's go to test runs and results. I'll add another test run here. I'll create exploratory test run. Milestone would be exploratory, assigned to myself. Description, start, end, include specific test case, select. I want only exploratory, only this test case, assigned to myself, and I click OK. Add test run. Now, let's pretend it passed. It's one session, so add result. If we go to test runs, to passed. Now I'll add another test run. Functional test run. Milestone would be functional. Assigned to myself. Start date and date. I want to add all functional test cases. All of them. Assigned to me. Done. Add test run. In this case, we have another test run. Or if we go here to see functional is not run, where I can click on it, untested 100%. Let's go, I'll go to functional and I'll start executing them. Let's say it failed. By some reason I assign to myself. Here I'll populate defect number and so on. I say fail all of them and I'll add result. As you can see, it failed. This case, all of them supposed to be blocked. Blocked. You block all test cases in case you have some kind of critical functionality failed. And do not forget to assign defect to triage call or to particular developer to resolve it. Let's go here. As you can see, failed and blocked. Now, let's say that defects have been resolved or defect, and we can start re-executing again. So I'll click on it and I start execution again. I'll pass all the test cases. It's only demonstration. And the major idea is to show you end-to-end fast-track project quality assurance project execution. In this case, it's behavior-driven development. And do not forget that each test case is supposed to be mapped to specific project requirement. Add results. So now, as you can see, we go to test runs. We still left something. Let me see. One failed. Let me go to project overview. As you can see, we're working. And if we check to do, we're still working. Okay, I found one failed. I'll set it to passed. Fastest case, if we click here, all our test runs passed. Now I'll add another test run, and it should be regression test run. Milestone, obviously, regression milestone, assigned to myself. Just for demo purposes, I want to finish everything right now. Select test cases, and we go to regression test suite. Done. Add test run. As you can see, it's not tested. I'll set it to passed, just for demo purposes. Quick pass. Let's say regression is completed. Test runs results. Then I'll add performance test run. Performance test run. Obviously to performance milestone, assigned to myself. All of this I'm showing only to make confidence that it's not that difficult to execute and work in test cases using different quality assurance management tools. All you need to understand the general flow. Here we go. I'll make a quick pass. Just for demo purposes. It could be failed, whatever you like. It could be skipped. Anything could happen in real life. Very good. Let's go to test runs and results. and add final test run. Acceptance test run. Obviously, milestone is acceptance. User acceptance. Assign to myself. Include specific test case, and I want only user acceptance. Done. Add test run. What I'm going to do, I'm going to execute it right now. Final pass. As you can see, it's behavior-driven scenario. Add results, passed. So if we go to test runs, we completed all test runs. If we go to do, that's what we have done. If you go to milestones, we completed all test runs milestones, except one, which is going to be in next session.